Alright guys, so I'm having this issue with the wideband here that is basically putting a signal, the frequency through the radio, and it's buzzing. And yeah, so what I'm gonna try and do is basically, instead of complicating it or like making another battery for it, because it doesn't do that with the jumper pack hooked up to the wideband gauge, it won't buzz then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to the battery, because if that thing can like go through the battery, then we've got a big problem. But yeah, so I'm going to basically I got some trailer wire here, and I'm going to take a little bit off of there and then run it to the battery, and I'll show you if it works. Alright, so I've been messing around with this for about 3 hours now, and I decided that basically there's no way to hook it up to accessory power, since this key switch only switches on the accessory power, and if you have it on the fuse block, then it will make the speakers be weird. So I made this cool little thing right here, and then you can see my thing's on. I don't want to leave that on, but yeah, it has an LED on it too. It tells me when it's on or not. And yeah, the radio works fine now, so that's an easy fix. And here's the trailer wire.